is our last sea day here aboard the Allure of the Seas. It is kind of sad. I am sad to be leaving, but we still do have an amazing day planned for you. And tomorrow we are back in Fort Lauderdale, but specifically down to Miami Beach. You do not want to miss that vlog. It's a very special episode. Today, we're heading down right now to the Royal Promenade. We're going to be picking up our giveaway items. So, there'll be more info in the giveaway, probably, I don't know.
We haven't even discussed what we're going to do yet.
Yeah, it might be later today. It might be in the recap video. Who knows? But, we're going to go down and pick up those items, just check out the shops a little bit, meet Peter and Corey. They're already down there. They're our friends that are on this cruise with us, if you don't know that already. Yeah, then we're just gonna kind of get the day started. There's supposed to be a water show at 11:30, and then we have chops at 12, and then we have a meeting with the cruise director at 2.
Let's just go, 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 go.
And then before you know it, the day's gonna be over, guys.
So why don't we talk about what today is?
Today is St. Patrick's Day. So Mama Hokum is all decked out in her green, and I do have a little bit of green on here. I've got the shirt that I bought yesterday. I thought I had, well, I did bring a shirt that had green on it, but then I wore it too early. So I had to wear this one today. But I think this one actually has more green, and then we both have our St. Patrick's Day beads. So we're all decked out, no pinching today for us.
Exactly.
Morning. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. You have breakfast already?
No, we skipped it. We're doing chops grill for lunch. Oh.
Dessert at Chops Grill? Okay, thank you, thank you. I love that guy, he's so nice. Good morning, Central Park. Wow. I am gonna miss all the different little nooks and crannies on this ship. And,
I was trying to name all 7 neighborhoods.
I know, you can't even do it, it's so many.
I actually had to think. I had to think about it. But I mean, like, you've got Casino Royale, Entertainment Place, Central Park, Boardwalk, the pool deck. That's 5. Solarium is 6.
What's the last one?
I named it last
Did you do Royal Promenade? There you go, yeah, wow. Oh, look at the green they have decked out. And look at all the balloons and everything. Wow. Check that out.
Irish celebration?
Yeah. Oh, they even have like Irish music playing, it sounds like. That's funny. Why is it so busy down here?
Last day sale.
Good morning.
Where's Corey?
He's not coming.
Why?
I don't know.
He's so sleepy.
He's like in the shower.
Look at the
I like this cup right here. That's a cool cup.
And then you could put a drink floaty on it and have it float in the pool.
That's nice. Oh, wait a second. No way. Oh no, that's cute. How much are these?
I don't know.
That's cute.
$15.95.
What? My God. Oh, it's a 4-pack.
4-pack, yeah.
It's a 4-pack. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad, huh? Wow. Now that is pretty. Oh.
No touchy.
Yeah, right? Don't break it. Wow.
No touchy.
That's pretty cool. These are all cute. It's just a feeding frenzy. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, no, you'd love that.
Wake view is the best view. Just ran the giveaway stuff up here to the room. I got you guys some good stuff. I think we're going to tell you about it a little bit later. Right now we're heading back to the Aqua Theater. They're having like a farewell Aqua show. God, they make everything so sad. Wow, I'm going to miss this view. Oh my goodness. Look at this crazy setup. You recognize these crazy people?
Hey! You're on the wrong cruise line. No! Alex the Lion! Yes! Alex the Lion needs your help today. And today you're going to hear him say, it's dance time with Alex. And
cute show, guys, back there at the Aqua Theater. Our last one. I feel like we're gonna be saying that all day today. Our last, our last, our last. We're heading to Chops Grill, though. We do have a lunch reservation with them, so we are heading up to enjoy, hopefully, a really nice steak. And who told us to get dessert? Oh, our room steward told us they have a really good dessert there, so we'll have to see what they do have. I expect everything to be absolutely amazing, though. Here we go. Oh yeah, we're totally good.
There's nobody in here.
Yeah, we're totally good.
Yeah, we're fine.
Whose is it under?
It's under us.
Is it under your name or our name or both?
I think it's both, actually.
Wow. Here's the inside. We're actually gonna get outside. We're here right at 12. Hello.
Is there a shady table, Lee?
No, thanks.
Not for 4.
It's all right.
Let's do like one like here.
Yeah, this one right here looks good to me. Wow, this is cool how it's like covered in here. So even if it rains, we could still sit out here, huh? Thank you.
Wonderful, thank you.
All right, and here is our menu for this lunch. Appetizers. Oh wow, I see a couple good things. You guys can pause the menu. Now this is the lunch menu. I'm not sure if it changes for, it does change, right? Yeah, it changes for dinner. Thank you. So we ended up getting the, you got the wedge, right?
No, I got shrimp cocktail.
You got shrimp cocktail. I ended up getting the wedge, no blue cheese. But guys, I don't know. It's not like seasickness. I don't know. I don't know if I ate something wrong on the island yesterday or whatever. But my stomach was just bothering me all night. Like I felt kind of sick to my stomach. So I wanted to go easy. So I got the wedge, and then we both got the filet mignon, right? The 8-ounce. They said it's gonna be butterfly. I got mine with asparagus and mashed potatoes. What did you get yours with?
Asparagus and mac and cheese, I believe.
Mac and cheese, and it sounds absolutely amazing. Here is the bread, guys. Check out this bread. Look at this, is unlike any other bread that we've ever had this 7-day cruise. It looks absolutely beautiful. So far, the presentation really is on top notch.
Yes.
It really is. Like we're out here in this nice outdoor venue. It's covered, so even if it was raining on your day, like it would be okay. Like it really just is a great spot to eat here, right in Central Park. So here I got my iceberg wedge. It's literally just like the what is it? The Pride? When did we? No, the Vista we got. It's the last time I got
It's
this.
not as big.
Yeah.
It's not as big.
I mean, this is my hand for comparison. So it's probably
It was as big as your hand on the
yeah. I don't know. It's probably about the size of my palm. But it does look super yummy. There's smoked crumbled bacon on there, tomatoes, the iceberg lettuce, and then it also did come with a blue cheese dressing. I just didn't get it because, like I said, you know, last night I was just feeling a little sick, so I wanted to steer away from that. Mama Hookem got the shrimp.
I'm
Wow.
being adventurous.
Yeah, look at that. She is, guys, because let me tell you, if you didn't already know, she is not a seafood person at all. She's really come out of her shell in the last maybe year. Yeah, in the last maybe year and a half. Because she is not one to get anything that came from the ocean or water. And
I've been eating a lot of seafood.
yeah, she has. So I'm very excited for you. You go, girl. Try something new. Look at that though, super yummy.
And I mean, it's on ice. You
Oh
can
yeah,
see-
look, the bowl is actually, I think they've chilled it. Maybe there's ice inside.
Yeah, there's
Look it
ice
up.
in.
Yeah, there's actually ice inside there. So really well done presentation here so far. All right, guys, so we do have our lunch here at Chops Grill. We both got the filet mignon. It looks absolutely good. With the, what is this, the Cabernet sauce?
Cabernet Reduction.
Cabernet Reduction. And over here is our side dishes. There's some asparagus, mac and cheese. Did you get mac and cheese?
I did.
Mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. It looks so yummy. I thought they was gonna bring it all on the plate together, but I guess.
Yeah, but this is a nice presentation.
Yeah, I guess it is. It's a very nice presentation. So far, everything really well done. Our appetizer was delicious. Mine was simple, but it was delicious. I really did have a great time. So I'm super excited to dig into this steak, see what it has to offer. So we are enjoying our lunch here at Chops. Mama Hookem, how is it? Catch your mid-chew. What about Peter and Corey? They had to run to the restroom really quick, but they are back now.
Yeah.
How was it, Corey?
It is really good. I was pleasantly surprised.
I was too. I was too. Peter, what about you, bud?
Yeah, the steak was really good, and the mac and cheese was really
What is that over there?
Tater tots.
Oh.
It's like cheese and potato. And
That's interesting. Yeah, my
Yes, this
steak
mac and cheese is amazing.
the mac and cheese does look really, really good. My steak is really, really nice. They put some. They give you three different sauces. I can't remember. There's like a peppercorn, Cabernet Reduction. Cabernet Reduction.
Which is a wine.
Some kind of peppercorn, and then what was the third?
The other one I think was some kind of mustard.
Yeah, some kind of mustard sauce, but really is a good tasting flavored steak here. The mashed potatoes are good, and the asparagus is excellent. Did you guys see anybody else get? Yeah, the asparagus is excellent. I really, really do enjoy it. We met a couple yesterday that said they did not enjoy it. I'm wondering if they just had a bad experience, unfortunately, because this has been a really pleasant dinner. I really did like it. I wish we could have tried more of the specialty restaurants. I guess that just means we'll have to come back, huh? Wow, that looks so yummy. Alright, so we just got our dessert here at Chops Grill. Everything looks amazing. Look at Mama Hookum's key lime pie, y'all. Look.
What? That just looks insane.
My goodness.
And I've never really been a fan of. I've really stepped outside the window here.
I'm
eating lobster. I'm eating shrimp. Key lime pie.
Peter and I both got the apple pie, and then Corey got the cheesecake.
Look at
I already dug in a little bit.
How is it?
It is really good.
Oh man.
It's so high.
I know, it's really big. Like I went here, hold on. Here's the table view. Look how high that cheesecake is. My goodness. Alright guys, what a fabulous lunch here at Chops Grill. I do have to get running. I have to get ready for my interview with the cruise director here on board. So I'm gonna leave these guys to it. They're gonna sign the check and all that kind of stuff. Well, it's not really a check, it's just signing that we ate the delicious food and everything. So I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Alright, see ya. No. Why? Why do they have to do this? So that's the debarkation information, guys. What does it say? I recognize. Oh, so this is like if you had somebody that really did outstanding, and then here's just the debarkation instructions, and it looks like we got 40. Oh my goodness. Is that like last? I feel like that's got to be like the last ones off the ship. Number 40. All right, guys, all changed up. We're heading down to meet Jimmy at Starbucks, right?
Yes.
Starbucks. All right, guys, so we are here with Jimmy Rhodes, cruise director here on board the beautiful Allure of the Seas. We're going to be doing an interview with him, so if you want to check out that video, it will be posted shortly after this video. Go ahead and click on the eye blinking right up here in this top corner and go check out that video. It's going to be tons of fun, some really good insight into life on board a cruise. Next time, ooh, it's windy out here. YouTube was not cooperating. Basically, this is just a fancy elevator, right? I'm going to pack.
Yeah, I am done with the upcharges.
It is dark outside, the sun is set.
You did not have fun tonight. My name is Jimmy Rhodes.
You.